Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Edge Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Now just use your username and your password to log in, or your PIN code, your biometrics, and any of these options that might be suitable for you. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page where you can see all of your assets. Now from the main home page, if you wish to delete your Edge account and don't wish to use it anymore, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner to end up within the menu page. Now from this page, tap on Settings and you will be taken into the Settings menu. Now from this page, the Delete Account option might not be accessible, so tap on the Tap to Unlock Account Settings option and you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your current password for your account and tap on the Submit button, and now you will see that the Delete Account option can be tapped. Go ahead and tap on this menu and you will be shown a warning telling you that all of your assets will be lost and this process cannot be reversed. Simply tap on I understand and agree to the terms, and then you will see the next button or the delete button to finalize your confirmation. After you finalize your confirmation, you might be asked to enter your two-factor authentication code if you have set to use it. Just enter your code and tap on the final confirmation button and your account deletion process will begin. After this process continues, you will need to wait for an email that you receive from the Edge team. Until you receive this email, make sure that you don't log into your Edge account, otherwise this will cancel the deletion process. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Edge Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.